Hi, this is Anthony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background in a picture using YouZign. YouZign is a web-based graphic software with which you can do a lot of creative stuff, and what I'm going to show you in this video is just one feature within YouZign. Now, to learn more about YouZign, feel free to check my video review on my YouTube channel. In this example, I will use this picture of mine and get rid of the door in the background, and this is what it'll look like after I remove the background. Now, if you want to, you can add another background like I did in this picture here. So now let me show you how to do this using YouZign. Okay, so I'm currently logged into my YouZign account, and I'm in my design section or my dashboard. I'm going to now click this new design button, and then it's going to ask me to choose a canvas size. I'm going to choose the custom size, and then it's going to load up a blank canvas. So once the canvas is loaded, what I want to do is in this section right here to the left, I'm going to click the uploads button, and then it's going to display the uploads. Now, this is my image that I'm going to be using, but in case you want to upload your actual images, click on this upload images button, and then click on select, and then it's going to take you to Explorer. Then you choose your image and click open. So now, since I've already uploaded mine, I'm just going to cancel out of here, and I'm going to click on this image that I'm going to be using. As you can see, in the background there's a door, so I'm going to get rid of that door. And when you click out of the canvas, you'll see that that toolbar, which is right about top right corner, it's disappeared. So essentially, these menus or toolbars are contextual. So essentially, when I click on a specific element, in this case the image, it will appear. So as you can see, the toolbar includes editing and layering, and in this section right here, this little icon, which is an eraser, is what we're going to be using to erase the background. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, and then it's going to load up a page, and this is the page that it loads up. So this on the left side that you see is the original picture, and on the right side is where you will see the preview of whatever you do. Now, if you notice right up top here, you've got a toolbar, and this green button and red button is what we're going to be using. The green button is essentially a green brush, and the red is a red brush. Now, the green brush, once I click it, you will notice that it is sort of a brush, and the green brush, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stroke this image. Now, the green brush you use for the part of the image that you want to keep, and as you can see, I'm just drawing an outline. It does not have to be perfect. And then what I do is click on the red button now. The red button essentially is to remove the background. So what you want to do is, again, stroke the background. And as you can see, as I'm stroking the background, it has already disappeared here. As you can see, just as one stroke, and it's all gone. There's a little bit right about here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click there, and there you see it's gone. You can also use these two little buttons here, the zoom in, zoom out. So if I zoom in, as you can see, you can take a closer look and make some finer adjustments. For this example, this is good enough. So what you can do now here, I'll click the done button here. So I'm going to click the done button. It's going to generate the result, and then it's going to load it onto the canvas. And the image that's loaded on the canvas would be the one without the background, as you can see. Now, what you can do is you can save this right up top here. You could just save it, or you can add another background here if you want to. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, in this left side panel here, if I just zoom in, you will see there are various categories, and there's one category called background. So if I click on the backgrounds category, it allows you to choose various types of backgrounds here. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to use this background here. As you can see, when I click on that background, it brings it onto the canvas. Now the thing is, it comes right on top of the picture. As you can see, I'm just going to drag and drop that, and then as I click on the background, I just click on this layering menu again to send it back, and as you can see, it sent it back. And then what I can do is I can just save this picture as is, or use this crop button right here. I'm going to use this crop button right here, and essentially you just drag this to the desired size as such, and then click on this little check mark, and there you go. And then you can save the image. But that's pretty much it. As you can see, it was fairly quick and easy to remove the background and add another background if you wanted to. And this, like I mentioned, is just one cool feature within YouZign. As you just saw, it was quite simple to use this background removal feature within YouZign. To learn more, like I said, about YouZign, check my video review. And if you've got any questions, just feel free to leave them in the comment section. Thanks for stopping by.